Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the indexing of the array elements. Okay, and also we will discuss about the length property inside of the arrays. Okay, so let's get started. First of all of the elements inside of the array are indexed and the index start from 0. Okay, so what I can do something like, let's add this one. So let colors, okay, equals to, and then I can add a red and then green and then blue. Okay, awesome. So we are having these three elements inside of the colors array. Okay, so if I just do console log, not class, console log of colors, okay, as you can see, we are getting red, green and blue, which is expected. Now, as you can see, we are having this length property. Okay, so just like the strings, we are having this length property. So length, okay, so it is now currently 3. So all of the arrays have this length property, which is basically giving us the length of the array. So how many elements are inside of the array? So we are currently having 3 elements here. Okay, now, for example, what I want to get this first element inside of the array. So how we can do that? We can do that just like we have done with the strings. So if you do not remember, so let's do console log something like hello. And then if we want to have this age, the first character, how we can do that? We can open up the square brackets and then add the index of that. So if I just do that, as you can see, we are getting H. Okay, if I just do 1, we are getting E, and so on. Okay, we will use a similar syntax for the arrays as well. So console log of colors, okay, and then we have to open up the square brackets and then we can add the index, so 0. So as you can see, we are getting red. Okay, then if I just do 1, we are getting green. Okay, so red has the 0th index, green has the 1 index, and blue has the 2 index. And we can see the indexes as well. So if I just do console log of colors, okay, hit save. As you can see, if I just expand that, as you can see here, so red has the 0 index, green has the 1 index, and blue has the 2 index here. Okay, so we can do that. So what I'll do something like this. Okay, so now what we can do something like 2 as well. So we will get blue, and as you can see, this is our last element. Okay, so now if I just do something like 3, then we will get undefined here. So what does that mean? We want to basically accessing an index where there is no element inside of the array. Okay, so we can do something like 30 as well. Same again, we will get undefined here. Okay, so now for example, what we want to just access the last element of the array. So what we can do, we can count from 0, 1 and 2. So for us it will be 2. Okay, the index of 2 is the last element. So what I'll do, I'll just comment out these ones. Okay, so we can get it from here as well, but we can use this length property as well. Okay, so arrays start from the 0 index, right? So console log of colors, and inside of the square brackets, what we can do, we can do colors dot length. Okay, so colors dot length will give us 3, right? So it will give us the length of this particular array, how many elements there inside of this array. So we are having 3 elements. So if I just do that, we will get undefined. So what we have to do, we have to do -1. Okay, so colors dot length -1, because array indexes start from 0. Okay, so if I just do that, as you can see, we are getting blue. So in that way, we can access the last element from the array. And also if we want to access the first element, then we have to do something like 0. Okay, then we are getting the first element here. Okay, so I can add a comment. So first element, and then we can do something like last. Okay, not this one. So what I have to do, I have to add a comment, last element. Okay, awesome. So okay, awesome. So this is the array indexing and the length property of the arrays in JavaScript.